Streak CRM tutorial, how to use Streak CRM for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to use Streak CRM for your customer relations, collaboration, communication, and much more. So let's get into it. First of all, you need to go to streak.com and you will land on this website right here. Now, Streak is a kind of CRM that we can add to our simple Gmail to turn our Gmail into our working hub, and we can actually turn our Gmail into a CRM platform, which is really amazing. And I'll show you how to do that. As a complete beginner, it will help you customize a perfect process for your team and you will be able to get your work done. Now, let's actually get into the process. Now, Streak is available as an extension and it's completely free. So, once you get to the website, you'll get this option here, which is Add to Chrome, and you're going to select this one. Now, it will take you to chrome.google.com/extensions, and this is our extension here. Click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension, and your extension will be added. Okay, it's done. And now it is adding to Gmail and it will take me directly to my Gmail account. So here we are inside our Gmail. And now you can see at the top we have Streak and it's asking me to sign into my Google account. So I'll simply sign in. Make sure to sign into the same Gmail that you have added the Streak to. Now it will ask you for your access and we're going to simply scroll down and click on allow. After adding Streak, this is what your Gmail will look like. Now you can see here in our simple, folders, we are getting recently viewed, all tracked emails, and awaited reply. And then we have this new option, which is the pipeline. So if I click on pipeline, it takes me to my CRM, it takes me to my pipeline and my mail merges. So you can see this is like our new dashboard for Streak. Here, I'll be able to create a new pipeline. We have our sales, orders, sales. Again, we have our sports and hiring. So this is where we'll create a new pipeline. Let's actually do that. You will click on new pipeline here. And we have different options. First of all, we have the stages. So this is where you will select the stages for your pipeline. And you can actually, we have a lead, contacted, pitched, demo, negotiating, closed won, closed, then we have nurturing. Okay, then we have fields. So in fields, we have a date of last email from, lead source, priority, industry, deal size, company size, close date, email, thread count, days in stage, and notes. So if you want to add another stage, you will click on this plus at the top and you will give your stage a name. Let's say that you actually wanted to create another, a stage here. For instance, let's say I didn't have nurturing, so I can create right here and you can give it your color. So we can actually select different colors for each of the stages. But I think all of these are actually already created. So this is actually pretty impressive. What I will do is I will actually get rid of this one. And if you feel like there is, I think pitched and demo are kind of like the same thing. We just go with the pitch. So what I'll do is we have demo 2. What I'll do is actually let's get rid of the demo here. And then we have negotiating. With negotiating, I can go with like in progress or something. And now you can see these are my stages. Then I will scroll down to the fields here with each pipeline. What are the different fields that you want? So we'll click on this plus here and we have freeform, a date, checkbox, drop down, general, email tracking, task, calls, and meetings. So I don't see anything for the calls and meetings here. So I'm going to go here and we have call log account, last call log, and more. So I'm going to go with this one here. This is the field that was actually missing. And I'll actually rearrange and put the notes here. Okay, email thread count, close date, okay, company size, deal size, and company size. Okay, let's get rid of the company size and I'm going to actually find something else within the general where we have created by, date created, followers, and more. So I actually want to go for the created by or maybe the followers because I want to keep track of my team members that are actually following this. So I will, put it right here. Now, these are some of the fields that I wanted for my pipeline. Now you can see there are a lot of options available within Streak. That is why Streak is actually one of the easiest and one of the most, versatile CRM out there. It's very easy to use. With templates, we have projects too. Within my project, again, if I didn't want to go for these sales, if I deal with projects, then I can go with the project stages right here. And again, the fields. The process is going to be similar. You will select the stages from here on this plus button here, and you can also give it different colors. We also have business dev here. You can see. Then we have hiring. So if you do hiring, then this is going to be your stages: job search, investor, fundraising, others, real estate, support, and custom. So within our support, you can see we have incoming, assigned, working on, resolved, and noise. This is actually pretty good. And we also have custom, where I can actually start something from the scratch, totally according to my business. For me, we simply have the sales. So I'm going to go with the sales here and click on create. Private or shared. So I will be sharing this with a team member. So I'm going to go with the shared one here and click on create. Now it will just take a second for Streak to create a pipeline for me. So you can see this actually looks pretty good. Now I will be able to add my leads here. So you can actually click on this drop down and we have manage stage or rename. So as I proceed, as I add different leads here, what I will do is I'll just simply click and I'll be able to add it. Click on the top here, add a box. So click on add box here. And I'm gonna add a box in the lead section here, and let's just call it new and click on enter. So now you can see we have one lead created. Let's say that there is actually closed one. So I'm gonna add one here. Let's just, for now, let's call it new. I'm gonna add another lead. Let's call it new 2. We can actually open this up in a new tab from here too. But for now, I'm just going to work this way. Now you can see we have 2 leads. Then let's say there was a contacted as well. There's one negotiating. So I'll just simply click on new. Now, once you create a lead, we can actually click here. And it will now open up the different fields that we added. So this is a new lead that I created, and we have all of these different columns. We have the fields that we created, remember, and then we have invite teammates. So from here, I can invite the team members. We have add columns, we have emails, files, and comments. You can switch to the emails and it will show you the emails that you got. In files, we can even upload files, and then we have the comments. At the top here, again, we have the call log, we have our meeting notes, and we even have our attachments. So this is how you create a lead within your CRM. Once you're done with this, you can actually click on enter and it will be closed. Now it will show you something like this. We have all of our data collected here, and at the top we're getting our count, such as 2 leads, 1 contacted, and something like this. And this is where you will be getting your list. We can select different leads from here, the stages, and we can perform bulk actions such as deleting and sharing as well. One more thing with Streak CRM, at the top, you will be able to see we have private option. We have these 3 dots where we can find these stages, integrations, and automation. This is one of the important ones. Click here and you'll be able to actually integrate other apps within your Streak for transfer data, for notifications, for automations, custom bills, and more. We can also integrate our Google Sheets to our Streak, and we'll be able to import and export data very easily and create our CSV files. Similarly, now I can switch to my different folders that we have here, and I can create a new pipeline. We can switch to our simple Gmail very easily from here, and it will also show me the emails that I will be receiving for my pipelines that I have created. We will even have our merge emails now with our Streak. So this is the merge email. And with merge email, what happens is I can actually create a follow-up emails and different merge emails here, and we have active and drafts. So using Streak is really easy. You can get started for free by just adding the integration, and now you know how to use Streak CRM as a complete beginner. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.